Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are confused how to assemble Breville Max juice fountain, I will be showing you in this video. It's very easy. So this is a Breville Max juice fountain. My family members are always confused as these have lot of attachments and they don't know how to attach properly to reuse the juicer. So in this video I will be showing you what you have to do to assemble the machine. It's not difficult, but you just have to know which part you will place first, and it is very easy process. So keep watching this video, and if you like my video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So first of all, this lock, make sure that it is on the right side, just like this, not on the other side. So it will be on the right side of the machine. And then, so this is the first part you have to attach, and make sure that this juice outlet is on the right side, as you can see that. So it will go like this. So just make sure that you put up, like, it won't move to the left or right, so it will be placed like this. And then once you have done that, then the blade will go on the top of that. So I will be putting the blade on top of that. So you have to just spin that so that it fits at the right place. So I will be showing you. You just have to move around and see it goes inside. So from the level you can see it's not higher than that, so it is properly fixed. Okay, so I can show you this process again because this is the difficult part. So I will be taking that off and showing you all again so that you are not confused next time. So place this part first and make sure the juice outlet is on the right side here, and then on the top of that this blade will go on the top of that. So you have to place that and just spin. So once you spin and little bit press, so it will go inside. So don't press the mesh here because this is very thin mesh and you can break this blade. Okay, so it is all placed. So once it is done, so after that, so this is the top cover. So you have to put up that top cover, so it will go. So this is the pulp outlet, will be on, it will be on the left side. So make sure this doesn't move. So these three parts have been attached now. So now you have to lock that, and you just have to press this little bit, press inside, and this is all locked now. So okay, so my machine is ready. Now you have to just put up this is the box for mesh collector. All the waste will go there. You just have to push the machine towards right and place that box under that. Okay, so it goes there. And now this is the jug for collecting the juice. So, and this is the cover. So you have to make sure that lid is matching, and you'll put up the lid properly, so it will go like this. So if you put up the lid the other way, it won't go inside. So just make sure that you put up the lid like this, and this will go under this outlet, so like this. And the last part is this is to push the fruit inside the machine. So make sure, I will be showing you very closely. See, this outlet has a different one, so the one with the bigger one will go. So if you see closely, so this is the bigger one, so it will go like that. And make sure it is facing towards the front like this. See, as you see that if you push this way it won't go, try the other, it won't go. So you have to select the wider one. So you just go like this and it goes like this. So my machine is all assembled now, ready to go for the next round of juice. Thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.